In this video, we are going to talk about the autocomplete widget from the ttkwidgets library. Here, an example from the repository. I just changed the font of a label used and also the entry, the autocomplete entry used. So the display will be visible. When you run the code, you get this. So for example, I'm going to write letter and you can see it's auto-completed. I'm going to show you how. First, to create the autocomplete entry widget, you import it from ttkwidgets.autocomplete. Then you call autocomplete entry to create it. You provide the same parameters that you provide for the entry widget, adding one more parameter, the complete values parameter. So here is the parameter complete values. It was in the example assigned the value dir window. So this is how it will work. You start by writing the word you want to enter. For example, I want to write config from the list of methods of the window. So I will write the C O. It got auto completed, but not with the right words, only with the first word that corresponds. I will continue until I get the word I want. Then I hit the return key. There are methods that are modified from the entry widgets keys, configure and cget, only to get the complete values in the list of properties to configure or keys to return. There is one other method that you are supposed to use, is the set completion list, that is called when you create the widget and also when you call configure. To get the values of the autocomplete entry widget, you simply call the method get. Here I have this button, its lambda will be print entry.get. So when I will run the code, so for example, I'm going to write CO for config, and even I didn't write the rest of the letters, get text will get me the right text. Now if I use the left arrow key, it will, the text added will be deleted, and if I call get text again, it will get me the displayed text. The other method that you can use with the autocomplete widget is the set completion list. It will change the list of values or complete values used. It is also used when you create the widget and when you call configure and you want to change the complete the complete values attribute. So entry.set completion list, I'm going to change to a list of string representing the numbers from 20 to 1999. So list of values of numbers for E range 20 and maximum value 100 not included. So Python test. Now if I write 1, it does this. If I want 2, it autocompletes. If I write 9, it also autocompletes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.